sneak peek of the new Lincoln Park skate park. It's a tiny little thing. I don't know if it's hard to tell. There's a quarter pipe there. There's like a ledge, bench there. And all the way around it is like this, I don't know, really steep 1.5 foot high bank. A little bit laid back there. You can kind of tell that there's like a little, can you see my finger? Maybe this is a bad one. Anyways, I'll try to do, when it opens up, I'll do a full review. There's like a globe there, just like Harbor City. Kind of pseudo stair rail, bench, ledge. It's hard to tell from this angle, but tiny little park here in Lincoln Park in downtown Long Beach. There's the new library. There's the city hall. The old city hall is getting torn down with the new city hall behind it. And then the skyline. It's beautiful, beautiful spot. It's going to be a beautiful park. Tiny spot. Lincoln Park and the skate park in Lincoln Park in Long Beach, California, opening up who knows when. Probably 2022 sometime, I'm going to guess.